Jamaican mongrel enjoying life in Canada. Good day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to my channel, Breaking News from Yard and Abroad. Please remember to like and share, and also subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss daily news items from both home and abroad. Jamaican dog Joseph is certainly living the high life with his new owner, Rachel Kornblum, in Toronto, Canada. One of the 144 dogs who were flown on a chartered flight to Canada last month, Joseph was recently adopted by the 25-year-old elementary school teacher who says the animal continues to warm the hearts of everyone he encounters. His name was Joseph, and we have kept that. But we have added many nicknames which include Jojo, Joshomo, Yoshif, Yosef, Joe, and Joey. Whichever comes first, she laughs. Rachel said that Joseph has easily adapted to being part of the family and is extremely comfortable, especially with his playmate, Bowser. After about a week of hand feeding him, he began to become comfortable with us and was excited to come out of his crate to greet us. Every morning, my 9-pound Shih Tzu greets him when he comes out of the crate, and they sniff and lick each other. They love to be close to each other, Kornblum said. But she said he prefers to stay inside the downtown Toronto home. There are tons of stimuli, which include construction trucks, construction men, loud cars, groups of people, etc. He is quite fearful and is unable to focus on anything but surviving. Although he doesn't anymore, he used to try and hide under cars and benches to escape the loud sounds. Kornblum got Joseph through the dog adoption program led by Tammy Brown, director of the Montego Bay Animal Haven. Needing to secure a proper home for the dogs, Brown reached out to Save Our Scruff, a non-profit animal rescue organization in Canada, which welcomed her idea of having the mongrels migrated. When the dogs arrived, many persons, including Kornblum, were highly interested in becoming their new owners. Save Our Scruff has a lengthy adoption process where you fill out a ton of information and then they send you a picture of a dog whom they think might be a good fit. We saw Joseph's cute face and we were sold. We specifically wanted an adult dog who was low energy, and Joseph is the laziest and most affectionate boy we have ever seen, she joked. He had 2 tick-borne disease, but they are all treated and his blood cell count is good. He was very stinky when we got him, but after a bath, he was good as new. Kornblum said when she first met her 4-legged friend, he was terrified and refused to leave his crate. However, it didn't take long for her to win him over with a piece of liver. Joseph has taken quickly to his new cuisine. He particularly loves her 1-2 ingredient treats such as liver and blueberries, chicken and cucumber, pork and beets. He gets chicken feet, bacon sometime, and plain chicken. He's reacting wonderful and seems extremely grateful and loves eating out of our hands. He has recently learned the sound of the treat drawer opening and always greets us with a sit, as he knows this is what we're going to ask for. He's a smart guy, she said. She said that she has been associated with dogs all her life, having worked at a guide dog center in Israel. She has also taken in many other dogs into her home. Way to go, Joseph. You're living the good life. Yeah, go and live your best life, yeah, Joseph. Up and running.